My tooth, it hurts. Oh no! We better get you to the dentist. This looks too scary for me. I'm out of here. No, Aiden! The dentist will make you feel better. Ouch. Do you mind if we take a look? What have we got here? Let's see. Bits of food stuck and candy stuck in the gaps between teeth. Help me give them a good clean. Looks like a bad bacteria bandit. If we don't clean up in here, they'll take over and make holes in Aiden's teeth. Let's get them! Bad bacteria, wash it away. Bad bacteria, aim that spray. Bad bacteria, scrape between the teeth.
That's not enough! You can't catch me!
We better clean up even more. Bad bacteria, wash it away.
There's another one!
Bad bacteria, aim that spray. Bad bacteria, scrape between the teeth.
Not fast enough! You can't catch me!
How can we stop them all? Us dentists can do it. Bad bacteria, wash it away. Bad bacteria, aim that spray. Bad bacteria, scrape between the teeth.
Okay, enough! You need me!
Can anyone see a tooth with a problem? That's one. Here's Aiden's tooth that's ouchie. Oh dear, he's got a cavity. I'll fill this gap in his teeth. Look at it now. Good as new and clean. Our work here is done. Thank you, appMink. My tooth feels much better now. Dentists aren't so scary after all.